The PulsioFlex monitor offers a broad range of hemodynamic parameters that can be freely and easily combined depending on each patient's individual needs. For the ProAct module, there are 2 sensor ports on the side of the device. There's one module port for the CVOX and Limon modules, one LAN port for a network connection, and 2 USB ports. The extension port on the back is for connection to the Pico module, and a port for connection to the power supply with a power switch. Use the power switch to turn on the device. Tap the alarm mute button to silence the alarm. The main menu gives access to all configurations and functions. Press the main menu button to go back to the menu. The information bar highlights information about the patient, their specific measurement details and messages. To enter the patient profile, tap on the patient button in the main menu. First, you have to admit a new patient. Press Yes to delete the saved data for a new patient, or No to keep the current patient profile. Then, type in the patient's data and characteristics. When you're finished, close the window by tapping the check mark. The alarm and volume settings can be activated via the main menu or the status line. The alarm volume can be muted and the alarm protocol can be displayed. In the System Settings menu, you can change the date and time setting, the software language setting, the background light mode switch, the mode switch for the ProAct info light, entry to the service screen, and the restore button to reset the factory default. Adjust Values opens the adjustment screen. If changes are made to a normal value, a target symbol appears next to the restrictive parameter. To set the screen layout, select a layout. The real-time pressure curve displays the arterial, AP, and/or the central venous CVP pressure curve. The trend curves are displayed according to the selected parameters. The parameter fields can be customized regarding the selected parameters. To configure the trend settings, tap the trend area. Then select the trend parameter. You can select a time span. For trend scaling, press the plus or minus curves, or the auto scaling button. Both trend areas can be individually configured. The trend bar can be moved to display the desired time range. Further screen layouts include the spider and the profiles diagram. The spider vision screen allows you to check the general hemodynamic situation at a glance, even from a distance. Parameters and numbers can be configured by tapping on the diagram. The profile screen gives you detailed insight into the specific parameters, their interactions, and deviations from normal ranges. It can be adjusted accordingly by tapping on the diagram. To use the print function, select an output device and define the time span and the starting and end point you wish to print. In the Info menu, you'll find information about the software version and the contact details of the Pulsion medical systems. When the ProAct and Pico are connected to the PulsioFlex device, you can choose here which technology the measurements are done with. PulsioFlex offers the ability to record all parameter data, mainly for study or therapy analysis purposes. By tapping Start, data acquisition can be initiated. User-specific events can be defined and tracked in the event log. By tapping Stop, data logging will finish. Having a USB stick connected to the PulsioFlex, a comma-separated text file can be exported by tapping Export Data. For the measurements, you can enter with these buttons into the respective technology screens. It is recommended that only original parts be used in combination with the PulsioFlex device and its modules to avoid errors leading to more severe problems.